John Wood water heaters have earned a reputation among contractors for living up to its ambitious tagline, "Hot water for life." In fact, John Wood has been producing hot water heaters of unrivaled quality, efficiency, and reliability for more than 50 years. The John Wood brand was recently redesigned by a team of engineers with a single goal: to create a line of water heaters that meets the needs of Canada's professional installers from coast to coast to coast. Join us for a 10-minute tour of our Fergus, Ontario plant and get a glimpse behind the scenes of the care and attention that goes into making a John Wood water heater. John Wood water heaters consistently exceed industry benchmarks for performance and reliability. With that kind of success under our belt, you might wonder why we have a team of engineers dedicated to R&D and a CSA-certified lab designed to push the limits of our heaters' performance capabilities, including the harshest cold weather testing on the market today. But the answer is simple, so our customers continue receiving what they've come to expect from a John Wood water heater. This dedication to quality was also the driving force behind recent significant investments we've made to improve our manufacturing process. Gas or electric, commercial or residential, every single water heater manufactured in our Fergus, Ontario facility is assembled under the industry's strictest quality control standards. There are a number of steps these steel coils must go through before they leave the plant as a fully functional water heater, starting with our cut-to-length machine, which, well, cuts these long sheets of metal down to the exact length, depending on what part they're destined to become. Once cut to length, the sheets for the tank interior are brought over to our automatic hole punch machine, where holes are punched in the sheets for the T&P, drain valve, and side water connections. Later in the process, our exclusive and patented tank savers are installed in the inner tank just prior to the enameling process, ensuring better coverage and for optimal tank life. Once the necessary holes have been punched, the sheets are brought to a station where they're rolled and welded into the tank's cylinder shape. Where traditionally this has been a more manual process, our newly installed station leverages robotics to maximize the accuracy of the tank assembly process. After the head has been welded on, each tank gets run through the glass enameling process to ensure its protection and long life. Once through the oven, the tank is assembled and moved on to the pulse testing station. In order to ensure the robustness of our tanks, a few tanks from each run are selected at random to go to our pulse testing station, where, over a single week, they're exposed to roughly the same number of pressure fluctuations they'd experience over 13 years in the field. If any tanks experience a premature failure, an audit is ordered on that entire run of tanks. Just one more example of our continued commitment to providing John Wood customers with the highest of quality product. Pre-assembly, the final stage of tank assembly prior to becoming a water heater, is another area we've added error-proofing measures to the assembly process. The measures include changes to our assembly process that eliminate missing components. For example, ensuring the tank's baffle is present and the burner is installed with its brass orifice in place prior to the tank being sent to final assembly. Additionally, every shipment of parts coming from third-party vendors must go through a rigorous incoming product audit prior to heading to the plant floor. During the final assembly process, where the interior tank is covered by its exterior shell and the heater's final components are added, a team of dedicated employees work with the precision of a well-rehearsed orchestra to ensure each and every tank is made to the same exacting standards as the last. While the assembly process might be complete, prior to any water heaters being loaded onto trucks, a select number are put through our final product audit. Once fired up, factors tested during this final product audit include performance testing, i.e. verifying the BTU output and overall performance, safety and functional tests such as proper gas valve operation, and craftsmanship, meaning a full cosmetic overview of the product, ensuring a high-quality, aesthetically pleasing water heater. Once loaded, and the shipment has met the John Wood standard for excellence, the water heaters are cleared to be loaded onto waiting trucks and shipped to customers from coast to coast. But the John Wood commitment to excellence doesn't end at the delivery truck. No. When you buy John Wood, you also buy unmatched after-sales service. In fact, first call, final resolution service. We recognize that for contractors in the field, minutes count, which is why we have a dedicated contractor line staffed with a team of highly trained technical support specialists, many of whom hold their gas ticket. We also implemented systems to ensure we have enough specialists on hand to answer every call in a timely manner, even during times of peak volume. In addition to our technical support team, the John Wood website has been redesigned to give our customers 24/7 access to a number of self-serve tools. Once registered, users can check the warranty status of a particular heater, initiate the warranty process, or access installation manuals and an online parts catalog where they can look up parts. Our Members Only section even gives customers access to our extensive library of digital media and advertising templates to use on their own sites. We've even optimized the site so it's smartphone friendly, allowing customers to access our online tools from anywhere at any time on virtually any device. Ask an associate today about the new John Wood and how our team is dedicated to providing you with hot water for life.